So we just gonna forget that part. But since you're subscribed to me, you saw it, right? Right? You subscribe, right? Okay. On this channel, you just never know what's gonna happen. But that happened. That happened. Let's be real with it. And now time to watch this stuff out. Let's go ahead and do this wash day with this particular line by Palmer's Natural Fusions. You guys, this is long overdue, and I don't know if you've been watching my Curl Box unboxings, but I think I got this like 2-3 months ago. I have used this collection a total of maybe 4 different wash days. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take you guys along with me during this wash day. I have hair that is beyond dry and scalp that's even drier. So yeah, y'all, I'm looking crazy right now. So really quick recap on this. Again, this is the Palmer's Natural Fusion. This particular line came in a curl box, and I was really surprised with this particular curl box because it included a hair mask, which normally never happens. So yeah, I was pretty impressed to get this because first off, it's a big giant jar and it's a hair mask, okay? Exact name on this is Chia Seed and Argan Oil Hair Mask. We also have the Micellar Rose Water Cleanser. It's a clarifying shampoo. And the way my scalp is set up right now, as much as it's flaking, I don't know if you guys can see right now, but as much as it's been flaking, I need to clarify. Like real bad. I have the Ceramide Manoy Hair Food Oil. Okay. I also have the Mallow Roots Leave-In Conditioner. And hold up, you guys. Let me give y'all a close-up. I didn't do that. That wasn't nice, huh? Okay, so there go one. Here goes the other. The Mallow Root Leave-In Conditioner that I was telling y'all about. And last item I have here is the Lavender Rose Water Conditioner. Now, one thing I do wish about this particular curl box I got, you know, featuring these items, I wish I had like a curl cream, some type of hair pudding, some type of curling souffle, something else. Because once I'm done actually washing the 2 styling items I actually have, it's just a leave-in conditioner and oil. That ain't enough, especially during the winter. And it's winter here. I'm in Oregon, you guys, USA. So anyway, let me go ahead and just show you guys a little bit. Let's see how clean my hair and scalp can get. I'm starting on pre-poed hair. I actually pre-poed it 2 days ago using my thermal cap from Pandana collection. If you haven't heard me say anything about Pandana before, it means you were either new to my channel or you weren't paying attention. It's something I use all the time, you guys. And if you are low porosity like me, it's beyond helpful to do your pre-poos with a thermal cap and also do your deep conditioning with a thermal cap. Again, keyword thermal cap, okay? And the thing about Pandana is it's black owned. Win-win. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. I'm going to go ahead and start off with, we're going to go ahead and start off with the Rose Water Cleanser. And this does have, well, you know what, I'm not going to get into the listing of the ingredients because I did that in a prior video, which I'll go ahead and put a card up over there. So this is the micellar water cleanser. So it's not watery, clearly, but it is enough where it will come out of this top. So there you have it. And as it slowly runs down my hand, we'll go ahead and stop and go ahead and get it into some water. guys, so now that the wash is done, let me tell you, this micellar rose water cleanser will clean your hair minus the suds. So if you're a fan of seeing suds when you wash your hair, this is not for you. If you don't mind it, then it's cool. So I did go ahead and wash my hair with this twice. My hair doesn't feel stripped, which is great. I'm not for the strip filling, so that part is good. Let's see what my scalp look like. Okay, so that's my scalp. My scalp was pretty itchy, scratchy, and yucky. So I'm glad, you know, I got it washed, so that's good. Let's move on to the lavender rose water conditioner. I like the fact that it has lavender in it, not just because it's part of the family of my favorite color, which is purple, but because, you know, lavender has calming properties, which I love. Now, I've already used this. I think I'm about right here with this conditioner already. And like I said earlier, I've used it already before. So let's go ahead and squeeze some out so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay. Shake it a little bit. Okay. Okay, this is pretty thick, but again, it's liquidy enough where it will come out of this spout here. And another good thing about the top of these products is it's easy to just, if you just want to squirt it right onto your scalp, you can, which is what I did with the second wash with the cleanser. So if you prefer to not put it on your hands and you want it to go straight to your scalp, just go ahead and squirt it. So it's pretty creamy. This is the texture we have here. Feels like it has slip in it, but just because it feels like it has slip doesn't mean it actually does. Let me apply it to my hair. Okay. So that's what it looks like so far. So with this, what am I supposed to do with it? I am supposed to, because after washing with Natural Fusion's Micellar Rose Water Cleanser, dispense product onto ends and work upwards throughout rest of hair. Allow product to penetrate hair for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to leave it on for about 5 minutes, rinse it out, because I will be going into the hair mask and I'll be using my Pendana thermal cap for that particular conditioning session. So let me go ahead and do this. Okay, you guys, so now I'm back from putting the conditioner in, and let me show you. Okay, so this is about how much I was able to detangle. And this is about normal for me. And you can see my hair is a little bit more fluffed out a little bit because I was able to get through my strands. As far as that conditioner with detangling, I would say it's okay. You know, it gives enough slip, not the best slip, but enough for me to at least be able to get that much out of my hair. So now, next thing is the chia seed and argan oil hair mask. And I'll show you guys. So that's how much I've used so far. It's very creamy. Pretty much has the same scent as everything else, except for you can smell the argan oil in this. It does have chia seeds. Chia seeds are wonderful. Are there little seeds in this? No, there's not. You don't got to worry about that. And so there we go. It is nice, creamy. This does have argan oil, sunflower oil in it. So let's see, shea butter, coconut oil, rosemary. Now the first ingredient is water, but there are several ingredients before we get to the oils, which is normally something I really don't like. I like to see, you know, the water, then I like to see whatever the oils are within the first 5 ingredients. With this, you do not have it within the first 5 ingredients. The fragrance is the 6th. So Not my favorite, but it is doable. Does it get the job done? I'm about to show y'all. So let's go ahead and start getting some of this on my hair. Very smooth. I love the way it feels. I really do. This is allowed 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing, or it can be used as an overnight mask treatment, but make sure to wear a cap or use towel to protect the sheets. I know that's right. And then it says rinse out in the AM. So we're not doing an overnight deep conditioning. I normally never do. That's just not part of my regimen, or maybe part of yours. So that's just an option. I'm going to go ahead. It says leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes. Did you guys notice what I noticed? So yeah, your girl never washed out the conditioner before she applied the hair mask. So now I'm deep conditioning with conditioner and hair mask. Now, to me, that shouldn't be an issue. I mean, conditioner, deep conditioning, hair mask, same thing. I applied a product on top of another product, which are there to do the same thing, right? So we just gonna forget that part. But since you're subscribed to me, you saw it, right? Right? You subscribed, right? Okay. On this channel, you just never know what's going to happen. But that happened. That happened. Let's be real with it. And now time to wash this stuff out. So. It's still warm from the thermal cap. Feels very soft, which it should, because it's been like double conditioned, right? Okay. My hair feels really, really good. And as you can see, I'm running my fingers through it a lot better. Which I should, again. I was able to detangle a little bit more with the hair mask. It is very helpful with detangling. And I've just detangled a little bit more. So, get all those hairs out. They need to come out. That's the less knots for me. Go ahead and get some of this leave-in conditioner in, and it smells pretty much the same. You see the spray? Just go ahead and get that in. Okay, so that's enough of the leave-in conditioner. I had a plan for not having like a cream or custard or whatever. What I'm going to do is go in with this Palmer's Coconut Oil Curl Styler Cream Pudding. Y'all excuse the marks on it from my son's slime that he was playing with in the bathroom. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this next. Let me show y'all the texture. And I'm trying to remember, did I do a video on this? I don't know. But anyway, this is what we have here for that. So I'm going to put that on my hair. And then go in with the hair oil last. Okay, so you see it comes out pretty fast. It reminds me of grapeseed oil, just right off the top. It does have sunflower oil in it, grapeseed oil, soybean oil, canola oil is what it starts with. There are some other oils like macadamia, shea oil, that's lower down in the ingredients though. It says this is for weak, brittle, thin, or breakage prone hair. Apply sparingly to scalp and work through hair. Week 1, apply it once a week, and then week 2, apply it twice a week. Week 3 and beyond, apply 3 or more times as desired. So I've used this plenty of weeks now. I did start off with once a week. using it once a week really didn't do much for my scalp, honestly. I do like thin oils, but then I don't at the same time. See, it's already running down my neck. I don't like that. Would I rebuy it again? Probably not. I may rebuy the mask because I just like having different masks, but it wouldn't be like my go-to. Again, this video basically I filmed for y'all. You know, I haven't done a wash day with this particular line yet, and I thought, okay, I need a video, so let's go ahead and get that on. So